Yes, I do.
Yeah, if you could pull that up and then share your screen with me, that would be great.
No worries. Let me pull up my pirate. That's where it is. On my screen. Uh, okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay, just to refresh your memory, let's see. Could you define a function that doubles a given number?
Hold on, hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to shut my door real quick. Uh,
All good.
so, please repeat the question.
Could you define a function that doubles a given number?
Define a function that doubles a given number.
Yes.
All right. Um, so let's say, should I type it in onto the pirate?
Yep.
Okay.
Also, could you zoom in
Double.
like 3 times?
Zoom in 3 times. Is
Oh,
that
like
better?
control plus? No, that zoomed is too much. No, I can't see it.
Or is it
What is a zoom like
that?
control plus? Is this control plus?
Control class.
Oh, plus. Like control
Plus,
plus?
control plus. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
okay,
Okay.
that's better. That's better. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So function,
Hmm.
um, let me see here. Hmm. You said write a function that doubles
Yep.
the okay. Um, let me see. X. You said, should I run it?
That's right.
Oh, you
Uh,
may need some text to fix your program. Look carefully before the highlighted text. Is there a missing colon? Oh, there must be a colon.
yes.
Okay. Where does the colon appear?
So we put it on the right of the right parentheses on line two.
Okay. Here.
Uh, no, all the way to the end.
Here.
To the end. All the way to the right. Yep,
Yeah.
there. Okay.
Okay. You may be missing an end or closing punctuation. Like, oh, um, I didn't put them in parentheses.
It's not parentheses.
It's not parentheses.
It's not parentheses.
You may be missing an end. Oh, I should just write end.
Yes. Well, not that. Wait, not there. After x times two.
Oh, after the x times two. Okay.
Yeah. What is the n doing?
It's, I guess, ending the function.
Yes, exactly. So if you put it before x times two,
Okay.
the function is not gonna get the x times two, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Out of convention, we like to put the n on a new line. Could you give n its own line?
End.
Yeah. Can you put it on a new line? So like that's correct, but it's better to put it on a new line.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go. Perfect.
No
Okay.
worries,
Let's
no
run
worries.
it.
The declaration of X shadows a previous declaration of X. But I
So
thought it's the same.
where there are two x's here, right? Remember, there's x as a parameter, as an input, and
Yeah.
then we're saying x
Yeah.
is 3.
Yeah.
Do we need x equals 3? What's the purpose of x
I
equals 3?
I guess not. I mean, isn't
Okay.
it to show that x equals 3?
Why does x equals 3?
Yeah.
But why?
Okay.
Where does x come from?
X comes from the top. Okay, so I should put
Yeah.
x equals 3. That makes sense.
No,
Oh, that shouldn't be there.
that shouldn't be there. It's just x.
Oh,
So
it's
let's
just
run it.
x. That's right.
I know what you're trying to do. So you're trying to call the function with the number 3, right?
Yeah.
How do we do that? Do you remember using a REPL to do that?
Um, REPL. Hold on. Read, evaluate, print, and loop.
Yeah.
So, so I'm supposed to put x. I've forgotten. I'm sorry. I've forgotten.
No, it's okay. It's all good. So how do we call a function?
Um, F.
Okay. We refer to it by its name, so we write f. So let's write f.
I write it on this side, right?
You can actually do it on either side. Either works. Just choose
Okay.
a side.
F.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then we do opening parentheses.
Should that be a space?
No, no space.
Okay.
Okay, now
Opening parentheses.
any number? What do you want to put into
Mm,
f?
I guess 3 since I'm using 3.
Okay, closing parentheses. Now enter. Great.
Okay, that makes sense now.
All right, can you call f with a different number again?
Um, 18. Okay,
Nice.
yeah, that makes sense now, yeah.
Well, how did x get the value 9?
X got the value 9.
Yeah, how did that happen? How did we get 18?
F, okay, so the function, so F equals 3. So F times 2 is 3. So how did F get the function 9?
No, no, sorry. Like f of 9. How did that get
F of 9,
18?
yeah.
Yeah, how did that give us 18? Can you walk me through how this happened?
Oh, okay, so since I wrote function and n, this function right here,
Uh-huh.
the it shows that it's F equals X, and then underneath would be X multiplied by 2.
Okay.
So then on this side, I've written the function, which is 9. So I've given X a number.
Mm-hmm.
And what it's done, it's doubled. It's multiplied by 2 to give me 18.
Very good. Just a little bit of
Okay.
wording. So we don't say f equals x. We say f takes in a parameter called x.
Okay. F takes in a parameter called X.
Yes. Parameter is input.
Uh,
It takes in an input called x, but programmers call it parameter.
okay. F takes.
Yep. Very nice. Okay, so yeah, all this is just to refresh your memory. Uh,
Mhm.
okay, now I want to do one thing. Can we rename our function to be called double?
As in double.
Yes, I want to call this function double. How do we change its name?
Um, do I do I cancel function? Like, do I delete function and write double?
Can you show me what you mean?
As in,
Um, you're on the right track, but that's the wrong one to replace.
okay,
We,
so end must be double then.
not n. It's not n.
Not, it's not end.
The n needs to be there. Fun and n needs to be there.
Okay. Hmm. I guess do I add another line and write double?
No. So
Okay.
what in this function definition is responsible for the name of the function?
Oh, F.
F.
Yeah,
Okay. So if we want to change the name from F to double, what do we have to change?
the F.
Yes. All
Okay.
right, let's run it. And can you call double with a number? Any number.
Okay. Double. Do I have to write double?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we changed his
Dou-
name, right? Don't forget the O.
yeah. Oh, sorry. Double. Actually, that's too big. Running 16. Okay, so it was double 16. It was double 8.
Yeah. So in
Mm.
programming, we like to give our function names descriptive names. In mathematics in real life, we tend to give them short names because we want to write less. But it's not the case here. We want to
Ah,
give them nice descriptive names.
descriptive name so it knows.
Exactly. So we as a reader, we can see what's happening. Double eight. Oh, it will double my eight, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
that does make
So
sense.
very good. Okay. So I want to summarize what we have done so far, not just today, but also your first session. We have covered numbers, arithmetic,
Yes, we have.
and a bit
Yeah,
of algebra. We
yeah,
did um, some variables. We can substitute variables, and we have functions.
yeah, we
Okay.
do.
hmm
Hold on. There's something I need to write down so that I have it for the next lesson.
Cool.
So why does the colon have to be after the X in the parentheses?
The short answer is that's just the way it is.
Okay.
But you have to ask
That's
the language creators that, like why they want that.
mm-hmm.
But it marks the beginning of the function's body. Okay.
Ah, okay.
So the body of the function is what produces the answer. So remember, a function is
Okay.
input to output. We know the input is
Yeah.
the X. What's the
Mm-hmm.
output? The body is what produces the output. Okay.
Okay.
After the colon and before the E and the N, that's the body.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why you have to write N. We have to say that's the N of the body.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
the end of the body. That's why we have to
exactly.
write M.
Exactly.
So the F is like the start of the body.
The
The
colon,
the colon is the start of the body. Okay.
the fun, Fun, that's telling the
Mm-hmm.
programming language, we are now defining a function.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go on. You can go on. You can go on. Sorry, I was just asking that
No,
question.
no, that's good. Yeah, I'm glad you're asking these questions. Okay, very good. Okay, so we're gonna shift gears a little bit. I would like you
Yep.
to delete everything.
No worries.
All right. Now I'd like you to write the number 5 and run it. Okay.
Okay.
So let me ask you this. What does
Mm.
5 mean?
Five. What does it mean?
Yeah, what does it mean?
It's a numeral. It's a number.
It's a number. Okay.
Mm.
5 is 5, right? Other than the fact that it's a number, nothing special about it, right?
No, there's nothing. To me, there's nothing special about it. I mean,
Okay.
that's my birthday, but I
Okay.
mean,
Now let me
yeah.
change the question a little bit. How about 5
Okay.
degrees Celsius? What does that mean?
Temperature?
Temperature, how hot, how cold something is, right?
Yeah.
How about 5 kilograms?
Weight?
Weight, how light, how heavy something is, right?
Yeah.
But they're all 5. Yet when we say 5 degrees Celsius or 5 kilogram, it means something a little bit different, right?
Yeah, it does.
Hmm. So there are two worlds. There is the world of information and there's the
Hmm.
world of data.
Okay.
Information is ideas and facts about the world. So 5 degrees
Okay.
Celsius. But
Yeah.
data, that's what the computer sees.
Okay.
That 5 in front of us in our program that we got back, that's data. The computer doesn't
That's
know if that's
the
temperature or kilograms. All it sees is 5.
all it sees is five.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so we
this,
haven't like given the information to it.
yeah, exactly. There's no information, it's just data.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this all sounds philosophical, but it's a very practical idea. I claim is that our role as programmers is to facilitate the interaction between the world of information and the world of
Hmm.
data. We turn
Okay.
information into data
Hmm.
and we turn data back into information.
Using the
Okay.
computer.
Yeah. So I'll give an
Oh,
example. Let's say we have an electronic thermostat. So it's a thermostat that uses a computer. It
yeah.
has physical sensors that reads signals from the environment. So things like electrical resistance or like molecules in the air.
Yeah.
So it reads these signals. These signals are all these things about the world is information, but then from the sensor, it gets data. It gets all these numbers, and it performs operations on these numbers to deduce a number. And that number is a temperature. It will display the number, let's say 5 degrees Celsius. We will see 5 degrees Celsius, so we get back information. We know it's 5 degrees Celsius. But the computer sees 5. The computer doesn't know its temperature. It just sees 5, right?
It just sees five
That's all the computer understands. 5. It's data.
because we're only giving it information.
We give it information and it sees data.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. So I have a new question.
Hmm.
Everything we've done so far, we have been encoding information as numbers and we've been working with numbers. But can we encode all information as numbers?
I guess so. Yes, we can.
Why?
Because we're giving it, what is it called? We're giving it the, oh, hold on, wait. You said can all numbers be used as information?
No, no, other way around. Can all information be numbers?
No, it cannot.
Why not?
Because you're not giving it a function. It's just a number, like you're not giving it information.
Hmm.
Like the way you've done five.
Okay.
Five to the computer, five is just a number. It has no information. Like it doesn't have anything to like base what the five means. It's just a number.
That's okay. It doesn't need information.
It doesn't need information.
So yeah, so what I'm asking is, can we turn information to into numbers? And once the information is lost, that's okay. But can we turn all information into numbers?
Yes, I think we can.
Okay, why?
I guess it'd be easier.
In what way is it easier? And no, why is it possible and why is it easier?
Um, One, it will take a shorter time, and two, I think this is a very basic question, but I think anything is possible. So,
Okay, okay, okay. All right, you're not wrong, but let me give a different explanation. Have you ever heard the
okay.
saying that computers are just zeros and ones?
I've never heard that actually.
Interesting. But yeah, yeah, like
But
computers
oh
are
no,
actually
funny enough, actually no. Funny enough, I will say I haven't heard of that. I haven't heard of that saying, but I have seen like in many movies where I guess in coding there's a lot of zeros and ones.
oh, yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So I yeah.
Our computers are just like like electricity, with like very well controlled movement of electricity. A wire is
Ah,
either has electricity flowing in it or it doesn't.
okay.
That's a very simplified explanation, but our computers are just a bunch of ons and off. Yeah, imagine a light switch. Like you can turn on and or off a light switch, right?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, so imagine our computers are really just like trillions of light switches put together.
Okay.
Okay, that's very simplified. But the idea here is that yes, all information can be encoded as numbers. Like even though our computers are just light switches, it can do amazing things. Like we can have this Zoom call right now. right?
because of the computer.
Exactly. Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay, here's my next question.
Very.
Do we want to encode all information as numbers?
Hmm. That's an interesting question because can I speak for myself?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Um, I don't think so
Okay.
because I
Why
think
not?
I think there's a power of information with words. I don't
Oh,
think,
okay.
I feel as though words hold more power than numbers.
Hmm.
Even though
Okay.
I guess if it is swapped into numbers, it's easier. But I feel as though words can hold like just I can use like function for an example, right?
Uh-huh.
I guess is there like I know I'm a beginner, but we have to write function into the code to
Yep.
like create a function, right?
Yes.
That's the information. So that's the information in words, not in numbers.
Exactly. That's a very good answer. Like you and I, we're talking right now, but we're not talking in numbers. We're talking with words, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So what this means for us is that there's information that we do not want to encode as numbers. So I say encode. When I say encode, I mean turning information to data. So we don't just want to encode all information as numbers. For example, we want to encode information as words. Let's try
We
something.
do.
Can we delete
Okay.
that five?
No worries.
Can you write double quotes?
Awesome. Yep.
Hello, comma space world. Oh, not
Oh,
like just space bar
ha.
and then just world.
Hello
Yeah,
world. Okay.
closing quotes. Let's run it.
Hello world.
We didn't get back a number. We got back something
No,
different.
we didn't get a number. We got words.
We got words.
We got words back.
We got words. So in programming, we call this a string, like a
A
string of
string.
characters. Yeah, a string.
Okay, a string. That's the word. So if you put words into a program and it gives you words back, it's called a string.
Yes, specifically, it has to be in double quotes, right?
Okay, it has to be in double quote.
Yes.
All
Take a
right.
sip of water. So two things. The first thing is that this Hello World is a classic example. It traces back, there's a huge history behind it. It traces back to like the 1970s, where like people were writing books about how to program. This is like the very
Hmm.
early days of computers. There's one book in particular a guy wrote, and he wrote this example, Hello, comma space world. And
Hello, comma space world.
yes, it's a very old example used in the 1970s in a book. And ever since that day, every book, every tutorial, every video lecture, they all use this example. This is a rite of passage.
Okay.
So, congratulations, you have reached a very important milestone in your life.
Really?
Yes, this is very important. You like celebrate this day. Like
Uh,
later, like, I don't know, do something special.
I don't know, man. I might. That's crazy, man. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's good though. That's good. That's good. Second lesson, and I made a big step.
Yeah, exactly. So up until just now, we have been working with numbers. We've been doing arithmetic and algebra, but all with numbers. We've been using this as a calculator. But now, for the first time, we're going
What?
beyond a calculator.
We're putting words.
Yes, we have a new way of encoding information. We encode them as strings. Okay.
Ah, okay.
So just not, like with numbers, we could do arithmetic. Could we do arithmetic with strings? Can you add hello world to another string? Let's try it.
Hello world to another string.
Yeah, don't delete anything. So keep hello world as is. And
Hmm.
let's do plus sign and another string.
Okay. Anything random.
Anything you want. They can go on YouTube.
Um,
Okay, great. Let's run it. Hello world, what time is it?
there was no space.
Oh yeah,
How
there's
come
no
there's no
space.
space?
Well, when you add two strings together, it just glues them together, and there's no space in between the two, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Should I put it on another line?
that's not gonna help.
Oh, it just stays like that then.
If you want to add a
Does it normally
space, mhm.
how do I add a space?
Like if you want to add a space, how do you do it?
Um, oh no, it's the same. Let me think. Do I put parentheses?
That's not going to help. Parentheses is for order of operations. Right now we only have two
So
strings.
we only have two strings.
Okay, remember that
Hmm.
space is information, right? But
Yeah,
we need
this
to
space
turn
is
that
in.
space into data. How do we turn it into data?
Oh, do I write space?
Uh, you don't write the word space, but you have to write something. Like,
Um,
look at the hello world. There's a space between hello comma world, right?
yeah.
How do you get the space there?
Oh, comma.
No, not comma. To the right of the comma, the space. Like, what time
Oh,
is
this
it?
space.
The all spaces between what time is it?
Oh, this space right here.
Yeah, that's that space.
What should it be
S-
that?
Well, but you're trying to add space be before the what, right?
Before the what? Yeah.
Yeah, so how do we add the space
Oh,
before the
wait.
what?
Should there be a comma there?
Yeah. Okay, let's run it. Let's see what
Okay,
happens.
that
There we
makes
go.
sense. That makes sense. Wait, hold on. But
Hmm.
okay, no, that so it's hmm. I mean, the grammar is a little strange. Like when it gives it to you back, like it's hello world. What time is it? Like that's not proper grammar.
Okay.
Am I wrong or because like
I
I
mean,
haven't seen this.
uh, if you want to fix the grammar, you have to remove the first comma,
Oh, okay.
and then you have to add a question mark after the it.
You have to add a question mark after the it.
Yeah, because it's a
That
question,
makes
right?
sense.
Yeah,
That makes sense. Since I brought up that makes sense. That actually does make sense.
yeah.
What time is it? And I remove the first comma. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Now the grammar is perfect.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, so it gives you back hello world plus comma. What time is it? So the comma is technically a space, or it creates that space.
Well, yeah, but you could also just put like space, but like yeah, you could also do that, and that's more space now. Yeah,
Okay.
nice, very good. Okay, um, let's. Okay, so one thing to note here, which is that the same way we can add numbers, we can add
Hmm.
strings. Can we change the
Okay.
plus to a minus? Okay, let's run it and see what happens.
Evaluating this minus expression errored. Hello world. What time is it? The left side was hello world. The right side was what time is it? The minus operator expects to be given two numbers. So program evaluation trace. Evaluation in progress when the error occurred. Most recent function. Hello world minus. So that's wrong. We can't put a minus there.
It doesn't make sense to minus two strings. No.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. You have to add them.
So what this means is that arithmetic, well, quote unquote, arithmetic on strings is fundamentally different from arithmetic on numbers.
All right.
Okay.
Fundamental.
Let's.
Okay, now go on. Carry on, carry
Okay.
on, carry on.
Okay, let's delete everything.
No worries.
And I'd like you to write the string five.
The string five.
So, oh, five in double quotes.
Hmm.
Okay, now let's run this and see what happens. Get back
Give me
string
five.
five. So no surprises here,
Yeah.
right? The same way how we wrote hello world, I go back hello world. We wrote string five, we go back string five. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you write a new line?
All right.
Yep, and write the number five. So no double quotes, just five. Let's run
Just
it.
five. Give me five.
Okay. Now I have a question for you. Now that we have
Yes.
strings, and
Hmm.
strings are a series of characters, and a number is displayed as a series of characters, why do we need
Yes.
numbers? Why can't we just make everything strings?
Because strings you only have to add a string to another string or to like continue a string, you must plus. I don't think you can minus. I think the reason this I think the challenges, I wouldn't call it challenges, but where you can, the difference between strings and numbers is that strings, there are no operations, it's just plus, whereas in numbers you can do simple arithmetic.
Very good. They have fundamentally different operations. You can do different things with them, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
while the same piece of information can be represented with multiple data types,
Hmm.
there are strengths and weaknesses to each, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do a little bit of practice. Okay, I want you to delete everything, and I have a new task for you.
No
Okay,
worries.
I would like you to define a function called greet, and it will take in a
Greet.
name. Yeah, greet, like
Mhm.
Greet.
Yeah.
It will take in a name as parameter, and
Hmm.
it produces the string hello and then the name.
Please repeat that for me.
So actually, I'll write this down in Zoom so that you can refer to it. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me pull up my keyboard. Okay, define a
Um,
function
can you see
called
my
greet.
screen?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
But I'm gonna send it to you on Zoom chat, like the task, just so you can like read it. It takes in a name as parameter and produces a string hello. Okay, I just written the task in Zoom chat.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay.
That was annoying. Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Um, define a function called greet that takes in a name as a parameter and produces a string hello name. All right. Hmm. Define a function called greet. So the function is called greet. Yeah. Okay. So that's a string hello name. A string. So it should. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Hold on. Let me see.
Okay, take your time.
Can I get like a progress report, like if I'm on the right track or not?
You're on the right track, but why is the letter F there?
Okay, so that shouldn't be there. Good.
Yeah, because the function just needs a name, right? And greet is the name.
Yeah,
Yeah, but you are on the right track. So remember, a function needs three things. A name, so that's done.
a
An
name.
input,
Yeah,
the input is X. How do we get
input
the
is
output?
X.
What does this function produce?
Oh, the function should produce hello name.
Okay, how do we do that?
Let me see. Let me see. So shouldn't it be X? Ooh, ooh. This is the biggest guess I've ever done.
Okay, okay. All right, let's run it.
Okay, you may need to add or remove some text to fix this problem. Look careful. Look carefully before the highlighted text X is there. Oh, let me see.
Uh, the colon should go after the right parentheses.
Oh, the one here.
Yes, and you
I
can do.
always forget that colon. I always forget the colon.
Okay, perfect.
Always forget. Let me see if it works. Function headers must not have space before the. Oh, they shouldn't
Yeah.
have a space. So it should just be like that.
Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay, that's called a function header. So it's head and body, right? Line two is the head,
Yeah,
line three is the body. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, can we
Okay, that
call
was.
this function?
Can we call the function?
Yes.
Um, greet.
Yes. Who do you want to greet?
Oh, sorry. That's wrong.
Right.
Uh, greet Daniel.
Okay. So let's greet. Okay, let's pass in Daniel. Oh, do you remember how to call functions?
I've forgotten. How do you call the function?
It's a greet and opening parentheses.
Greet, opening parenthesis. Is that should there be a space?
No space.
No space. Okay. Greet, opening parenthesis.
All
All
right. Yeah,
right.
that's
Let
called
me view
greet
that.
again. And yeah,
Okay. Greet
so who are we greeting?
Daniel.
Okay. Oh wait, pause for a second. Daniel. So how do we encode the information, Daniel?
X.
No, no, encode. Like, how do we? So Daniel, like that, your name is information, but how do
Yeah.
we turn that into data?
Um, how do we turn my name Daniel into data?
Yep. What do we use to encode words? What's the thing that we used?
Um, what was it?
Remember Hello World, when we typed Hello World for the first time?
Um, what is it?
Yes. Now we
Yeah.
can write Daniel. Okay, let's run it. Oh shit, sorry, I hit enter. My bad, my bad. I, I tripped you up.
Nah, it's so good. Nah, it's so good. Let me do that again. Let me do that
Yeah.
again. So Daniel, hello. Daniel,
Okay.
hello. Okay.
Oh, but it's saying Daniel twice, right?
Yeah, it's saying Daniel
Can
twice.
we just say hello, Daniel, like just once?
We can. I just don't know how to do it.
Okay, let's look at a code. Line three. What can we do
Hmm.
to fix this?
Hmm. Do I put end here?
No, changing n won't fix anything.
Changing end won't fix anything. Okay.
Okay, okay. So first question is why is Daniel showing up twice?
There should be something there should be something that stops this from happening. This Daniel right here.
Uh, which one?
Why
Sorry,
is
I
it?
can't see. Can you highlight it?
Can you see? Can you see?
Oh, oh, now I see it. Okay. So you're saying some
Yeah.
we must stop that? Could we just delete
Yeah.
that one?
Can we just delete it?
Yeah, and then okay, closing double quotes.
Uh, okay.
Great. Okay, now let's run it.
Oh, that makes sense. That
Oh
does
yeah.
make sense. So then it's greet Daniel. So then when I put,
Oh, but okay, you can try it now, but I'll just run it. Do this first, and I'll tell you that there will be a problem. I'll tell you why.
oh, there'll be a problem.
Yeah, yeah, just do it first, and then I'll explain why that's a problem.
Okay. It's
Okay,
the
it says the
same.
same thing
It's
as just
still
now,
the
right?
same.
Now,
Yeah.
the reason why it's saying the same thing is because whenever you're using a REPL and you edit your program, you must run again.
You must run it again.
You must run, like the blue button, run. You must click it. Now, if we do it, it should work.
It should work. Okay. Read
Great.
Daniel. Hello.
So the reason why you have to hit run again is because the REPL, whenever you hit run, the REPL will see
Mm-hmm.
whatever definitions were made when you hit run. And so if you change your
Oh,
definitions, but you don't run it, the REPL will still use the old one.
the old one. You know, you did say that in the first lesson. I don't know why I forgot that.
It's okay. It's okay. All this is very new, so take it, take the time to absorb all this.
Mm.
Oh, good try. That's a good try. But notice
Um,
how the hello is coming after the name.
yeah.
Can we make the hello come before the name?
The hello before the name.
Yeah.
Then I have to go back to the code.
Yes.
And then I have to put the hello at the start here.
Okay, let's do that.
Hello. Then I guess plus X. Oh, sorry. That's X there. And then let me see.
Wait, that's not
Greet.
an X. That's a
Oh, my
star.
fault.
Yeah, it's okay.
Why did I put this? The, no, thank you for reminding me. Thank you for
Yeah,
reminding
no
me.
problem. You gotta hit run.
Oh, I have to hit run.
So whenever the definitions change, you must hit run.
I must hit run. Okay.
Yes.
Run. No. Greet should be there. 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 Let me see. Okay.
Ta-da!
Yeah, it works. Man, wow. Ha. Now I have to write that down.
Okay.
I have to write that down. That has to be written down, man.
Okay. That's good. Taking notes is good. Oh, all right. So just to start, so I don't know if you noticed, but this is like the function double we did at the start of the session today.
Yeah,
But instead of working with numbers, we're working with strings. See that?
we are.
We're
We are
performing
working
arithmetic and algebra with strings.
with strings. Yeah, we are. Because we put X. We put X, so that does equal as algebra. Because the X equals hello.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, the X becomes Daniel.
No, no, the X, yeah, the X becomes Daniel. Sorry,
All
yeah.
right, because you passed in Daniel. Yeah. Can you
Yeah.
greet Marvin?
Greet Marvin.
Yeah, how would you do that?
Well, I wouldn't. It's the same thing. It's just hold on. Hold on, I have to run it. Yeah.
Oh, you don't actually have to
Delete.
run it because it didn't change anything.
Oh, I didn't change. Oh, oh.
Oh, it's okay. It's
Hmm.
okay. There's no harm running it as well.
Okay. Shit, I hate run.
It's
Sorry.
okay.
Wait, can I say shit? Or is there like
No, no, no. It's probably okay. Yeah.
okay, okay. I don't want you to get like demonetized or something.
Oh, I'm not making money from this.
Oh, you're right. Sorry. I
Yeah.
forgot that too.
Yeah, maybe I should though.
Not actually. I don't know,
Dude,
man.
I get like 5 views per video. I'm not gonna make any money.
Man, sorry. I hate caps lock. Marvin. Hup, hup. Okay. Enter. Hello,
Oh,
Marvin.
very good. You have
Mhm.
mastered the art of functions and strings.
Oh man, functions and strings. Now that I have to do 100% homework on.
If you want homework, I can give you homework.
Can you please give me homework?
I will give you homework. I'll
Thank
tell you
you very.
now.
Yes.
It's going to be a smooth journey. It will be a
Mm-hmm.
climb, but you will learn something.
Ah, thank you very much.
I will email you homework, and if you have time, you can do it. If you don't have time, that's okay. And if you get into any trouble you can't solve, we just book another session with me, and we can go over them together.
Okay, okay. So, obviously the lesson is starting to close down.
Yeah.
I was going to ask, what is your YouTube?
Oh wait, you don't have it?
No, I don't think. No, I
Give me
don't
one
think I
second.
do have.
I sent an email a few days ago, but I'll send you the link again.
No
Give me
worries,
one
no worries.
second. Oh, I got promoted.
Two?
The my URL. It says my name now. Like my URL used to be a bunch of letters and numbers, but now it's actually Marvin's office hours.
Oh, that's great, man. That's
Oh,
great. Thank you.
I- there you go. Yeah, so right now, in fact, your first session's out there actually. If you
My
scroll
first
down,
session's on here.
but I've used your like the name you put in Google Forms. I'll update it to that. I can do it right now actually.
No
No, I
worries.
can't, damn
I
it.
should.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
So yeah, so you can also look at other people's sessions if you're curious, like, oh, how are other people doing? I will say that I'm conducting your session a bit differently because every session is a little bit different. I tailor it to
Mm-hmm.
the student. Yeah.
Okay.
So this session's also going to go up there. So if you forget anything, you can also review. You can go over here and you can find your video.
Oh, here it is. I found it.
You found your first one?
Yeah, I found my first video. Yeah.
Okay.
No,
All right.
thank you. That's
Yeah. Okay, we got 3 more minutes.
mm-hmm.
Okay, so what's one thing you learned today that stuck with you?
Functions and strings. Okay, now the first thing that stuck to me is when I'm writing a function at the end of X, I should always put a colon.
The parentheses,
That
after the right parentheses.
after parentheses, after the right parentheses, I
Yeah.
should always put a colon.
Yep.
That I 100% need to remember. And then two, what I've also, you've told me this, but again, once I have changed the code and on the right side, I am now, I guess, exacting the code, I should always hit run so that it, I guess, clears and then I do the new code.
Excellent.
Is that, yeah, okay. And then the next thing I've learned is a string. It only becomes a string when when you put it into the double quotes. That's when it only becomes a string.
Okay.
Um, what else? What else have I learned? Oh, I've also learned that you can use functions and strings. As in you can write a code that has algebra, but it also has strings to create a string.
I see. Nice. Okay,
Yeah.
you learned a lot
What else?
today.
What else have I learned? Oh yeah, there are two different worlds, information and data. that I've learned. I can see the difference between information and data and why there's a difference in coding.
Hmm. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Wow. Okay, you learned
That's
a lot today.
Yeah, 100%, man. Because today, to be honest, today you were saying was a big step. So after you said it was a big step, I really tried to focus.
Oh, that's
I
good.
wanted to like make sure that I really internalize everything you're saying.
Nice. Okay. Well, I'm very happy that you're learning a lot, and okay, and that you took a big step today. Yeah.
Man, thank you so much, thank you so
Yeah. No
much.
problem, dude. Okay, I do have to
Nah,
wrap up now. I'm very happy to help you on your journey, and I hope to see you again.
hope to see you too, man.
All
Thank
right.
you so
No
much.
problem, dude. Bye bye now.